it's clear victory for us. There is no doubt about it, and I can say it because we work very hard towards the development of the constituency, and also it is the touch that we keep with the people. It's not only about me or Babush, it's about all our punch members actually who work tirelessly actually 24/7 and at any time. So this is Madhya as one of our punch members, and I think I can say it with confidence because we work a lot.
Yeah,
We work as a team.
any effect you feel that will put up about these issues which are going on in the last few months?
No, I don't think so. I don't think it would have much of an effect. At least if we talk about double tracking, it's not affecting us as in the sense it doesn't pass through our constituency. Molem also, I also don't think like I don't think the whole situation was explained very well or understood very well about the Molem. There's a lot of like news going around that a lot of trees were going to be cut down, like 85,000 or more than that. But I think it is not so much that those number of trees that are going to be cut down, and it is something I would think the Molem project actually is very important for the state as in regards to electricity.
Are your voters with you, the same voters that have remained with you, are they with you still the same even after you have changed the party?
Yeah, so I would think there would be a few people that would have been upset. I would be lying if I said that nobody is upset. So yes, a few people might be upset, but I think in general, people are with us. It's also about the face behind the party.
Okay. And one more thing is that now ZP polls, after that you have municipality elections.
Yes.
And after that assembly.
Yes.
So how important do you feel when you have municipalities, then assembly you have to go?
Yeah, I think in a way ZP elections are like as we call it, like the semi-finals. We would get to know a lot about the trend of voting, and also this is the time we'll know how many people are actually upset with us. So it's a time where we find out what's happening, and I think take measures to correct the same. If